All right. So number 4 right here. Okay, so we're going to identify the the x-intercepts here and here, and the vertex is going to be down there. Okay, and so these x-intercepts are going to be, this one's negative 15, 0. This one over here is 10, 0. Okay? And now to find our vertex, we got some leeway in here because we got a gap from 0 to negative 5. So what number do we want to choose right here?
Not 0.
It's not 0 for sure because it would be on the axis then. For sure. What number do we want to choose?
3.
What kind of 3?
Negative.
Negative 3, I like it. And what would our value for the other one be? Probably it would be 19, but I'm okay with giving you 20 there. It's pretty close. Okay. And that will be our vertex. Everybody okay with those 3 points? See where they came from. All right, so let's solve it. So do work, as you young folks say. This is number 4. Okay? And so the vertex is going to be negative 3, negative 20. And the x-intercepts are going to be negative 15, 0, and 10, 0. All right? Max or min?
Min.
Minimum? Where?
Negative 3.
Nope. It's the height or low of the graph, right? Height or low comes from which axis? The x or the y? The y. So is my min's going to be at?
Wow.
Because it's going to go up and down on the y-axis, right? So what number is going to be the lowest y?
Negative 20.
Yeah, that's fine. All right, and so what's my axis of symmetry?
Now it's negative 30.
Yep. It's the vertical line through the x-coordinate.
That's what you were asking for.
Oh. My fault.
No, it's my fault.
All right, and so y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. All right. My h and k comes from my vertex. And so since this is negative 3, the negative and the negative make a positive 3. And the minus 20 coming, the positive and the negative make a negative 20. The x I'm going to choose, I have seen y'all struggle with negatives, so therefore I'm going to use the positive 10 input. What output is generated at positive 10?
0.
Very good. Very good. Now, algebra. It's just algebra now. Boom. 13 squared is? Anybody? 20 equals 169a. What does that equal?
20 over 169.
Okay, so what's the decimal?
0.12.
Okay, so 0.12. I had 2 over 15, which is 0.13. Isn't that what you said? You did it earlier? You said you had 0.32. And when you did it for me, 0.13. 0.13, 0.12 is pretty close, I think. Pretty close. All right, and so since I have my a, I'm going to substitute her in. Y equals 0.12 x. My vertex, my x-coordinate was negative 3, and so that negative 3 is going to make a positive 3 squared. My negative 20 is going to make a minus 20, and we be done. There she goes.